I had woken up at 6 o'clock. I had woken up at 6 o'clock. I had turned off my alarm. I had turned off my alarm. I had gotten out of bed. I had gotten out of bed. I had opened the curtains. I had opened the curtains. I had made my bed. I had made my bed. I had stretched at home. I had stretched at home. I had meditated every morning. I had meditated every morning. I had checked my phone. I had checked my phone. I had gone to the bathroom. I had gone to the bathroom. I had washed my face. I had washed my face. I had brushed my teeth. I had brushed my teeth. I had flossed my teeth. I had flossed my teeth. I had washed my hands. I had washed my hands. I had taken a shower. I had taken a shower. I had dried my hair. I had dried my hair. I had combed my hair. I had combed my hair. I had moisturized my face. I had moisturized my face. I had gotten dressed. I had gotten dressed. I had gone downstairs. I had gone downstairs. I had made tea or coffee. I had made tea or coffee. I had listened to the radio. I had listened to the radio. I had prepared breakfast. I had prepared breakfast. I had had breakfast. I had had breakfast. I had called a family member. I had called a family member. I had put on my shoes. I had put on my shoes. I had put on my jacket. I had put on my jacket. I had left the house. I had left the house. I had gone to work. I had gone to work. I had worked on my computer. I had worked on my computer. I had attended meetings. I had attended meetings. I had taken a lunch break. I had taken a lunch break. I had had lunch. I had had lunch. I had finished work. I had finished work. I had gone home. I had gone home. I had gone grocery shopping. I had gone grocery shopping. I had played with my pets. I had played with my pets. I had met friends for coffee. I had met friends for coffee. I had cooked dinner. I had cooked dinner. I had had dinner with family. I had had dinner with family. I had cleaned up after dinner. I had cleaned up after dinner. I had read a book. I had read a book. I had spent time with family. I had spent time with family. I had watched television. I had watched television. I had played games. I had played games. I had done household chores. I had done household chores. I had taken the dog for a walk. I had taken the dog for a walk. I had checked the weather. I had checked the weather. I had brushed my teeth again. I had brushed my teeth again. I had turned off the lights. I had turned off the lights. I had fallen asleep. I had fallen asleep.